Time to take this channel seriously. Making boring vlogs. It's over with this camera. Enough with GoPro. Goodbye. Ta-da! Action 4. Let's see if it's gonna be good or not. Maybe. I'm vlogging every single day, so it will help me to create videos. Welcome to my boring day. Let's go! What a small DJI Action 4. Welcome to the family. Beautiful. Oh my god, it's so small. This cage, DJI stickers. They give you second lens. Perfect. Battery. Nice. That's game changer. Magnetic mount. Oh, this cage is pretty cool. Okay, let's go to the main dish. Ta-da! Finally. Very nice. Premium feel. DJI. Wow, it's so easy. Compared to GoPro to just pop in. Pick. So smooth. I remove the lens cover. Camera. This cage for camera. Lens mount. Battery. And this, of course, magnetic system. Let's check it out. Oh my god, so simple. Bam. Okay, I don't even care about the quality anymore. The magnetic system is amazing. First comparison. GoPro. It's a little bit smaller. Bam. Let's recharge this. The best thing. Bang. You can recharge. English. Mimo app. New firmware. Micro SD card. I use the SanDisk Extreme. First clip ever with this cam. It's so wide. GoPro Super View versus DJI. Time to go and vlog. How this looks like. La wind. It looks much better on DJI, but okay, we'll see later. So far, can I be honest, I'm not impressed at all. Footage here at my home, it's so noisy. Okay, let's go outside and test. The rest of the vlog I will film using this cam action. First thing that I see so far, the DJI starts much faster. Quick thoughts, the power button to turn on the camera looks a little bit harder. It's not that pleasant. This cage, I don't know if should I use it. This cage is amazing. Wow, look at this. Now it's a GoPro. Oh my god, love this camera. It works comparing GoPro. This blows my mind. You can, even when you are on auto, you can change so many things, like easy something, so many options to choose. Stupid to compare those two because there is like small setting change can change. This is what I can do with DJI most of the time when I just keep it in my hand like that. This magnet seems strong, so wow. Why no one talks about it in reviews? It's so amazing. So simple. I just need a lot of metal around me. B-roll. DJI, you are the best. You can recharge camera with this cage. Happy that I bought it. I need to figure out the settings. We can vlog every day. Pumpkins. Yeah, I have to record this again. Even with tripod. Wow. And now I'm gonna use GoPro to record how good DJI is good. Recording something, POV, bang, I can vlog and I can put it like that. It's so versatile. What I'm doing with my life. Excited about stupid small camera. So many options, my head wants to explode. I need to learn new camera. Now we have this keeps balance for like 35 degrees. Run and test. Breaking the cam. How is the wind? From POV 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bam. To handheld. How they compare? I'm staying with Action 4. I mean, I will see how the footage looks, but just look at this. You cannot afford extra battery. Yes, look at this. I can insert a cable into the power bank. Ta-da! Fast charging. Perfect. You don't need extra battery. Linear in GoPro, kinda linear DJI. Now the widest lenses possible. Super view, ultra wide. Okay, let's drive some. This is the last footage from GoPro today. I don't know, maybe forever. Comparison doesn't really make sense. Image quality of DJI is enough. The magnetic system, the fast charging recompensate, how to say it. Goodbye GoPro, you were a great camera. Thank you for making a couple of hundreds of vlogs with me. Don't cry again. But I need to watch some videos when people recommend the settings for DJI Action for me. I don't know what's good, what's not. What about now? I switched to 25 something. I don't understand exposure. Generally, I watch reviews say that sound is really good. DJI Action 4. What's up? Can I do this with GoPro? Farouk, my final test on my bed. GoPro. Now I'm on DJI. Quick thoughts. First day with DJI. Sound is really good. Magnetic system is amazing. Because I don't like the skin. How is my skin smooth, from a beauty filter on iPhone. I like the little bit sharper thing on GoPro. Maybe I can somehow change that here. Next entire video. Tomorrow will be filmed only on this camera. Hope you enjoy it. Tomorrow we will start vlogging properly with this camera. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. It's so stupid. That's my suit from the prom. I still fit really well. My friend, hey, I'm waiting for DJI for eating this. This guy show up. Hello.